Multiple types of mulcher teeth are available for your CAT compact track loader or mini hydraulic excavator. Let's look at what's available, proper maintenance and proper installation. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. There are 4 primary mulcher teeth options. Chisel teeth provide a consistent cut and finished product. They are best used in general-purpose applications. Next are carbide teeth, which are designed for extra wear and extended life. Rock-resistant teeth have more carbide surface. They are ideal when working in rocky substrate. Finally, side-cutting teeth can improve efficiency by preventing material from bypassing the main teeth. Keep the drum rotor free of debris and make sure there is no buildup along the side bearings. Also, remove any mud that has gotten packed inside the mulcher. When inspecting teeth, make sure the carbide has not broken off. If the carbide or teeth are missing, replace them, and replace any damaged holders. Chisel teeth should be sharpened daily. However, reversible chisel teeth should not be sharpened. This grinding template helps you measure sharpness. If it fits the 4th slot or lower, you can sharpen it. If the tooth matches the 5th slot, it needs to be replaced. To sharpen a tooth, remove it and grind the top flat surface until the edge is sharp. Finally, check hoses, grease bearings, and make sure all parts are intact. To replace teeth, loosen and remove the nuts, bolts, and spring washers. Remove the tooth from the tooth holder. Put the new tooth in the holder and fully seat it. Install the nuts, bolts, and washer through the holder into the tooth. Make sure you tighten to the proper torque. Please note, the side scraper teeth require different steps for sharpening. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.